So what's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to transfer photos and videos from Canon camera to a mobile phone. To wirelessly transfer images, you'll use the official Canon app. On your Android phone, go to the Play Store and then search for Canon app or Canon Camera Connect, then tap search. Now select Canon Camera Connect from the search results, tap install and wait for the installation to complete. Now go to your settings on your phone and make sure airplane mode is turned off. In settings, tap Wi-Fi and turn it on. Now on your Canon camera, press the Mobile Device Connect button, often marked with a smartphone or Wi-Fi icon. If this is your first time using Wi-Fi, the camera will ask you to create a nickname. This name will appear on your phone when connecting. Just use the camera keyboard to enter a name and confirm. Now open Wi-Fi settings on your phone again, look for your camera's name and tap it to connect. Now launch Canon Camera Connect app and confirm the connection if prompted on both the camera and phone. Once connected, you'll see options like View Images on Camera, Remote Live Shooting or Camera Settings. Now in app, tap Image on Camera. Browse your photos and videos, tap the images you want to transfer and then click Download or Save icon. These files will be saved to your phone's gallery. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.